eBay gives a temporary boost to new listings, helping them show up higher in search results. This means more people see them, click on them, and buy. To take advantage of this, old listings can be ended and relisted using the Sell Similar option. This creates a new item ID, and eBay treats it like a brand new listing with a fresh boost. EcomSniper makes this easy with the Boost My Listings feature. Open EcomSniper and click Boost My Listings. Then click the gear icon to open the settings. Use these settings based on your eBay store. For US dropshipping, Premium Store, 10,000 listings. Minimum sold, 0. Minimum views, 9,999. Hours left, 24. For UK dropshipping, Anchor Store, unlimited listings. Minimum sold, 0. Minimum views, 9,999. Hours left, 300. After entering the settings, close the menu and click End and Sell Similar. EcomSniper will now automatically refresh your listings and give them a boost, keeping your products on top and helping you make more sales.